Here's a Underwood Champion typewriter. I'm selling it as is, non-working. Main reason is because of the typing. It's like it doesn't give a clear type. Platinum is very hard but not cracked. I'm not sure how to fix it, but other than that, the carriage advance is fine, the keys advance fine. I cleaned off this here. This here is pretty smooth. There's a little nick here. The paint off and a little nick there. No dents in it. The nickel chrome rings, there's a couple of them that are, some of them are tarnished around the edges, but not a lot. This is plastic keycaps, real nice and shiny. It's a very clean machine. See the main brand there is the gold color is nice and intact. In the front here with the same gold lettering, and you turn this around a bit and you have more gold lettering on the back that looks real nice. And so because of the way it actually types, selling it as is. The feet on the bottom they're hard, but they're together. They're not flaking all apart or all squished up. They're not flaking all apart or all squished up. Everything's working on it. Just again, it's just it's not typing clearly. Thank you for watching this video.